Outdoor spaces are meant to be lived in. They are places to relax, gather, and slow down. But without the right furniture, even the most beautiful outdoor area can feel unfinished. The good news is, outdoor furniture doesn't need to be expensive or complicated. With the right ideas and smart design choices, you can create benches, tables, and chairs that are functional, comfortable, and visually appealing. In this video, we're exploring 25 outdoor furniture ideas that work in real spaces. These ideas focus on simplicity, durability, and timeless design. They're suitable for patios, gardens, balconies, decks, and backyards of all sizes. Outdoor furniture should do 3 things well. It should support the body comfortably. It should handle weather and daily use. And it should visually belong in the space. When those 3 elements come together, outdoor furniture feels inviting instead of temporary. Benches are one of the most versatile pieces of outdoor furniture. They work along garden paths, against walls, around fire pits, and at dining tables. A simple bench can serve as seating, a display surface, or even storage. Clean bench designs rely on strong proportions. Straight lines and solid legs create stability. Slightly rounded edges make seating more comfortable. A bench doesn't need decoration to feel complete. Its strength comes from balance and simplicity. Some benches work best as standalone seating. Others pair naturally with tables. Backless benches feel modern and flexible, while benches with backs provide comfort for longer sitting. Outdoor tables are the anchor of shared spaces. They invite meals, conversation, and quiet moments. A good outdoor table feels sturdy and calm. Tables with simple rectangular or square tops are timeless. They're easier to build, easier to place, and easier to use. Thick legs and solid joinery communicate durability. Height matters with outdoor tables. Dining tables should feel comfortable for extended use. Side tables should sit naturally next to chairs. Coffee tables should feel accessible without dominating the space. Outdoor chairs bring personality into a space. They can feel relaxed or structured, formal or casual. What matters most is comfort and support. A good outdoor chair supports the back, distributes weight evenly, and feels stable on uneven ground. Simple designs often perform better than complex ones. Chairs with wide seats feel more inviting. Slightly angled backs improve comfort. Armrests add relaxation without complicating the structure. Mixing benches, chairs, and tables creates a layered outdoor environment. Not every piece needs to match perfectly. Consistency in material and finish matters more than identical designs. Outdoor furniture benefits from thoughtful spacing. Leaving room to move makes the area feel open. Crowded furniture layouts reduce comfort. Weather resistance is essential. Outdoor furniture should be designed to handle sun, moisture, and temperature changes. This means allowing for expansion, using strong connections, and choosing finishes that protect rather than hide the material. Natural finishes often age more gracefully outdoors. They fade slowly and develop character instead of peeling. Matte and satin finishes reduce glare and feel more natural in outdoor light. Outdoor furniture should feel grounded. Low seating feels relaxed. Wide legs feel stable. Thicker components signal strength. Designing furniture for outdoor use is about reducing stress points. Avoid overly thin parts. Avoid sharp corners. Allow water to drain easily. Benches can double as planters or storage units. Tables can include lower shelves for added function. Chairs can stack or move easily. Flexibility adds value. Outdoor spaces change with seasons and gatherings. Furniture that adapts remains useful longer. One of the biggest mistakes in outdoor furniture design is overbuilding. Heavy designs that cannot be moved easily become inconvenient. Balance weight with portability. Outdoor furniture should feel intentional, not temporary. When design is thoughtful, even simple builds feel refined. These 25 ideas represent a range of possibilities. Some focus on seating, some focus on gathering, others focus on relaxation. What they share is simplicity, clean shapes, comfortable proportions, practical use. Outdoor furniture doesn't need to impress at first glance. It should invite use. It should feel natural in the space. When furniture blends into the environment, the space feels complete. If you're working with a small patio or balcony, scale matters. Compact benches, narrow tables, chairs that tuck away easily. For larger spaces, repetition creates rhythm. Multiple benches, paired chairs, balanced layouts. Outdoor furniture is about creating moments. Morning coffee, evening conversations, quiet afternoons. Good design supports those moments without demanding attention. If you approach outdoor furniture with simplicity and purpose, the result will always feel welcoming.